Take.
How much is it?
At the moment I promise you now.
Ah, my baby. My love. See, oh, I knew it. You are the best. Eh? Thank you so much. See how... What's wrong now? Are you okay?
No. I know they get myself. I know they get myself right now.
What is it?
No, why you be like this? Why be like if you define something, you go to talk, sweet talk. Once you then got that thing, you begin to form busy, you go to do me anyhow. That kind of thing, they hurt my feelings. You know good now.
Sorry. But you know I love you, huh?
I beg, leave that.
You know I love you, yeah?
No, leave me. No, leave me. No, they work. Today will no work. You no work. Madam, welcome.
Thank you so much.
Sir, you fine.
Thank you.
Madam,
so I need goat's meat.
True. My goat meat don't finish this morning, no. But be like say my neighbor across go get. Make I go help you buy now.
Okay.
No, it's in there. Just bring money. Make I go help you rush buy. Eh? How much you want?
I mean, the stress.
Madam, don't worry. I go run out for you.
It's okay. So I'll be needing 50,000 naira worth of goat's meat. I have a few friends coming around. Okay, I think. Okay. This should be it. Here. Okay. Thank you so much.
I dey come make I rush. Sit down. Sit down here. I dey come. No. Make sure say you look at where I dey come. Yeah.
I will.
Auntie, you want water? You want drink?
No, it's fine.
Okay, I dey come now.
So, you said she's your sister. I mean, her.
Yes, she is my sister, my younger sister.
Interesting. Very good.
Yeah. You are beautiful. Very beautiful. And you smell nice too.
Thank you.
You
what?
Can I get your phone number so that...
Forgive the laughter. You what, sorry?
Can I get your phone number so that I can call you? Maybe we can hang out. Can get to know you more. Yes.
Do you have a phone?
Yes, I do. Sure.
I'll do it myself.
Auntie?
Oh,
the meat with this.
Okay.
You do well because of me, Pujara self.
Oh, thank you so much.
No wahala.
Oh, it's heavy. Thank you. Okay.
No wahala.
Let's do this. Listen. Okay. Here.
No, madam, no need. No worry.
I insist. You've been good to me. You're kind. You tried helping. You helped me out. So take it. I insist.
Dollar. Madam, thank you. God go bless you well for me. Thank you. Thank you.
All right, darling. I'll see you later.
No wahala. Bye-bye.
Thanks. Bye.
Go small, though.
Okay. No.
And if you need goat meat tomorrow, just come here straight. I go to wait for you.
I'll always
Thank you. Hi, no. A dollar to give me a big woman.
Dollars?
A big woman be that woman. Yes, now. Hey.
Where is it?
Where is it?
Bring it, let me see. Bring it.
No, they do like that.
Bring it.
No, they do like that. I know green, no. I know green. See, oh, yeah, look at from that side. So, yeah. From there. I know green, I know they give you.
Let me feel it.
I know try.
Small.
No.
You are sorted though.
Na market today.
You are sorted though.
No, na market today. Na market today. You.
What is going on now? You are busy. Huh? I thought we agreed to see tonight. What's the problem? I think I should just go to our hostel. Yeah.
Hello? Eric. None so right. How are you? This is your number. How is your sister? Okay, my regards to her. I had a busy day, a very busy day. I hosted a few friends, you know. A hangout tomorrow. I will be having a busy day tomorrow. Why don't we do it when I'm less busy? I'll be less busy soon. Okay. Bye.
Oswald, her sister is so strict. Oh God, she really did her dirty. As we speak, she said she will be coming to lectures from home.
Oh my God, are you for real?
Yes. That was why she never had any date or boyfriend ever since we got admission into this university. I know, you know, she couldn't keep it.
Yeah, she told me and I found out she was telling the truth.
Telling about what?
I exposed and influenced Yamaga. She was still a virgin.
I really feel for that girl. Honestly, you need to see her condition. Her sister broke her legs.
What?
If you see her, you cry.
Where is she, please? Where does she live? I need to see her, please.
Is it that you don't get it? You want me to take you to her father's house? Oh God. Her sister is a butcher. She will butcher you. Don't even dare.
But what am I going to do? She blocked me everywhere, even on WhatsApp. Please, I'm really worried. I need to see her, please.
I don't know. I don't know what to do.
I greet you. Igwe, wait. Are you sure what you are saying, that you are in the country? You are back to the country. You are welcome. Welcome, my king. It's okay. So the Igwe is back. May the gods be praised. There's so much work to be done. So I have to prepare to go and see him. Yes, I have to see him right away.
She's a superwoman, she the hustle scatter, and she's a one of a kind. Chizaram the hustle, she hustle passing man, she be wife material, no 1 million years. Chizaram is a hustler, yeah.
Sister. Sister, please, I'm so sorry for everything that happened. I know I hurt you. I don't know what came over me. I craved so much for a friend like Marvin. He's a good person and he's nice to me and he takes care of me, but sister, I promise I've blocked him off. And I've also told him to leave me alone. Sister, please, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Please don't hate me. Please, I beg you. I promise I won't follow anybody again. I won't lie to you. I will never hurt you again, sister, please. Please, I'm really sorry. I don't know what happened. I'm really sorry. Please, sister, forgive me. Sister, please, I beg you in the name of God. Please, forgive me. Sister. Sister, please, I promise not to do this again. Sister, please, I promise. I'll never follow anybody. I'll never do anything in school. I'll just go to school and study, please. I'm really sorry. Sister, please, forgive me. I beg you in the name of God, please. Sister, please, I beg you. Sister. Sister, please, I'm so sorry. Oh my God. Sister, please forgive me. I'm so sorry. I'll never do it again, sister. Sister.
Because me, I know it will surely come to pass.
What will come to pass?
But wait, too. It's barely a year now that we stole our kings and queens. And this is all we are seeing. This is appalling.
Really? Iche, you know, I heard that our king met her in a club abroad. But how can our king marry such a woman?
I heard that her father is wealthy. And the king is working
Whose father?
The woman now. Yes, and the king is working under the father's company abroad.
Hey, no, at all. How can he do that? It's not possible. Our king to do that kind of a thing? How can you even think? Are you thinking like a child? Why? You see, our late Igwe's properties in London, that is what our Igwe has gone to sort out.
I'm only reacting based on the rumors. I didn't know.
Don't react based on rumor again. Don't react
I've
based
heard
on
you.
rumor.
Let's
Ask questions. Everything you want to do, ask questions.
Yeah, can you come? Let's go. I've heard you.
How can you be reacting? I'm reacting on what you are told. Don't
You say you won't learn this business.
Yes, I want to learn how to sell meat. I've tried other businesses, but it's not working out for me. So I came so you can teach me how to do this business.
Hey, you know how to teach you. As I sit down here so, I don't train plenty boys for this meat business. Some don't open their own, some don't even carry the money go out, but then you go safe. But as you stand like this, so you don't be like you feel learn this business. So see this your hand? You be like Ajebo. Yes, you be like Ajebo. Why you want to learn her like this?
As far as you teach me, I mean, if I learn good, I can make money from it and solve my problems. I'm very sure I will learn very fast.
Meat they smell, oh.
Trust me, I can learn very fast.
Okay. Where you for come?
Umuago.
That fafa place. I tell what carry this side.
Just to survive.
Just to survive. Now you take off from Umago reach here.
Yes, I was working in a construction company here, so I don't make good money. Started to get other things, venture into other businesses. But that's why I'm here. So I can learn this and make more money for myself.
No, so you go take talk. Now if you reach time, now you begin to talk. Say, you know where? Tomorrow.
No, I can assure you.
You sure? My baby. So you said. Correct. See your shoe. No.
Can I get 20,000 naira from you?
Eh?
Can I get 20,000 naira from you? I have a job interview to attend. And I need the money.
Be say, no. You know, say, I just they come out. 20,000 not too much like this. Eh?
You see why I usually get mad at you? I am asking you for money. I have to attend this job interview. You have been the one complaining that I am jobless. Now I have a job offer. And I am asking you to give me money and you're here complaining.
Oh yeah, calm down now. Why your chest on the pump? Calm down. May you know let your blood rise. Okay, make I call POS, making withdraw 20,000 give you.
Be fast.
See my guy, you. I see my guy.
What is it? You must have smelled it. Don't you know this is a disgusting business? I am going for an official business interview. Please be fast. Call the POS girl. I am waiting.
And they call me, I go call her.
Hurry up. There's no time. Move! Look, there is no time.
She's a superwoman. She dey hustle scatter. And she's a one of a kind. Chizaram dey hustle. She hustle bossy man. She be wife material. No 1 million years. Chizaram is a hustle.
Don't say this. Abigail, why did you bring him here? Why did you bring him here? What is your problem? Look, Marvin, please, you have to leave this place. I beg you, please.
Babe, I understand, but please, can you listen to me?
You are not listening to me. Please, you have to leave here. My sister cannot come and see you here, please. Can you listen?
Babe,
Marvin, go!
Babe, I miss you.
Go! Please, both of you should leave this place. Babe. Abigail, take him out of this place, please.
Babe, can you just listen to me? Babe.
Maybe we need to leave.
I need to talk to
Before
her.
our sister meets us here, please, let's go. Please.
Babe.
Please leave. I beg you, leave this place.
Please, let's go.
She's a superwoman. She dey hustle scatter. And she's a one of a kind. Chizaram dey hustle. She hustle bossy man. She be wife material. No 1 million years. Chizaram is a hustler. Yeah, she be hustler. Now woman we hustle bossy man. She be hustler. Chizaram is a hustler. She be hustler.
I'm sure you're surprised to see me.
Yes, Tonyika, I'm surprised. You didn't even inform me you are coming.
Yeah, it was supposed to be a surprise visit.
My queen.
Greetings, my queen.
What is going on here?
My queen, I am Onyeka, and Ifoma here is my woman. I just came back from abroad. I said to come and see her first. I've not even gone to my father's compound. I said to come and see her first because I know she works here.
Oh, I see. Ifoma, this is the future husband you told me? Yes, my queen. You're welcome. Please sit.
Thank you. Thank you, my queen.
How was your trip? Have you offered him anything? Please, get him food and drinks. Mr. Onyeka, feel at home.
Thank you,
Go. Mr. Onyeka, if I may ask, what do you do in Dubai?
Well, my queen, I studied computer engineering, but now I'm into importation.
Oh, that's nice. Impressive.
Thank you.
Please feel at home. You're welcome here anytime, any day. Good to finally meet you.
Nice to meet you too. What's happening? You've been so cold and off-minded. What's going on?
I am fine.
Didn't you like the iPhone I got for you?
The queen is calling me.
The queen? We are together and we are supposed to spend time, quality time for that matter. What queen are you talking about?
My queen. I want to see you in my room now. My queen, I am on my way. Unika, please. Can you drive me back to the palace? Please, the queen needs me.
What are you even saying? We are supposed to go see my friends that I told you about. Wait, hold a minute, let me ask you. Are you caged in that palace or what?
Onyeka, please. Please, I will see you tomorrow. Please.
But babe, listen. Listen, we just... You can't just go now.
Onyeka, please. Just drive me back to the palace, please. Please.
That's okay.
Thank you.
She's a superwoman. She dey hustle scatter. And she's a one of a kind.
Yes, your guy. Wait, no, so whatever. What's happen? I don't understand. Waiting, they try talk. Your guy buy my body, he no pay complete money. 2 nights ago, we sleep together. He don't dey dodge me since then, so I can't make you give me the complete money. Wait first. They try tell me say my no knock you. Your shower boyfriend knock me. You sure we knock together. You don't pay my full money, so I can't make I collect money from you because you don't block my lines. I know if you reach him, so I beg give me money make I dey go. Say my now. Which one is now? Everywhere. Your papa, mama no try. No, come back now, idiot. Your papa, mama no try you. I will try you for my shop. Anima. Get mind the call and tell me say you knack. We knack. You not give me the complete money. Hi, for butcher that girl just now.
Is that how you behave? Sorry.
So they walk you.
Yes. Is this how you normally use knife to fight people?
What's it concern you? What's it be your business? Respect yourself.
Sorry. You were so beautiful and very charming.
Thank you. You see, I know what you want.
Okay. If you say you know what I want, tell me. What do I want?
That's your phone. It's ringing.
Yeah, that's my sister.
Okay, pick up the call.
No need for that. I'll see her when I get home.
It could be an emergency. Just pick up the phone.
For now, I think we should just focus on us.
Switched off.
See?
Now you are the talk to. What's happen now, Oga? In fact, come they go. No, I see be like this, Okay, I go think am. They go, I go think am.
I don't think that's your man. I don't think he loves you. No,
Okay, you go abi you won't come tell me how to dey run my life. You won't teach me who love me and who no love me. Which kind of nonsense be all this one today now? Why boy they also come give me gbasgbos for inside my shop?
She's a superwoman. She dey hustle scatter. And she's a one of a kind. Chizaram dey hustle. She hustle bossy man. She be wife material, no 1 million years. Chizaram is a hustler.
Did he touch you? No, my queen. You should not allow him to touch you. Okay? In fact, you're not going anywhere. You're going to stay here in this palace and allow me to protect you. Do you understand? Yes, my queen. Can I go now, my queen? I will do anything for you. Anything. Anything that you want.
My God, how did I get into this? How did I allow myself to be possessed by this queen? I don't find Onyeka attractive anymore. I don't even feel like being with him. But I can't take this as a lie for myself. God, I am trapped. I should have rejected her the day she was touching me. Now she has even taken my phone. The phone Onyeka brought for me. This is not me anymore. This is not me. How do I get off from this queen? She has a great influence over me right now. And I know Onyeka will be heartbroken. God.
Ifeoma, Baba, are you okay? Are you fine?
What is it? Do I look like someone that is not fine? Eh?
Anyways, I saw your bobo few hours ago. Congratulations, so you are getting married. I'm happy for you. And that told me everything.
Please mind your business. Mind your business.
Are we quarreling? Hey! Oh, let me mind my business.
Oh. Here we go.
Thank you.
Let me be your chef for today. You're welcome. This. Aha.
This is good. This is delicious.
I was hoping you love it, and I am glad you love it. Enjoy. I made that for you especially.
Thank you.
For today, I'm going to be your chef.
Your phone, it's been ringing. Could be your sister?
Yes, she's the one.
Could be here.
You know what? I would call her back later.
No, you should pick it now. Come on.
No need. I'll call her back later.
It's been ringing. Why don't you answer?
No, she just keeps bugging me. Nothing more than that. You know, sisters and overcare. Okay, let me get something. I'll be right back. Hello? What is it? What is it? Why are you calling me? I am in the middle of a meeting. You see, don't call me again. Do you know I had to leave the meeting place to come outside and pick your call? I am under the rain. Don't call me back. Don't call me. What is it now?
Nonny! Baby! My love! Nonny! Hey, you don't cut call. Why you can't cut call for my ear now? Why they do like this? Honey, why they do me this? This way you do so you know good though. Honey, why you go cut call for my ear like this? You know good now. Why you do like this?
What's the matter? I want buy meat.
Okay. How much all?
3,000. Better meat.
I know they do you well before. No worry, I will do you well today.
Those red meats, yes.
She's a superwoman. She dey hustle scatter, and she's a one of a kind. Chizaram dey hustle, she hustle passing man. She be wife material, no 1 million years.
I said I am serious. I saw brother Nonso with a particular girl in my school. And that girl has a very big car. They both entered that car and drove off.
Chiamaka, eat your food. Nonso travel go Port Harcourt.
Jesus. Sister, I say
may you chop your food. What did they worry you? Because I don't tell you the girl opinion now you want to talk anyhow. What did they do this one? You want to follow me chop this food in peace or waiting? Or sister begin the chop now. Now your sheep? Now my sheep, you know concern you. I say may you the chop.
Sister, it's not about sheep anything. Nonso doesn't love you. He doesn't love you, yes. That man doesn't love you. He's just with you for your money. I don't even know why I even persuaded you to go with this man. I don't know why you accepted him in the first place. That person no follow. He doesn't love you at all.
I don't hear you. Begin the chop. You sure say you want chop food today? I say you turn begin chop this food.
Babe, how? Me? In your sister's school? How now? Come on, how? How is it possible?
Don't do this.
No, wait. Let me call my sister. I want to see her in Port Harcourt. Let me call her so you can hear her talk.
Baby, don't do. I believe you now. You
Ha!
don't do.
I don't know why your sister hates me. She does not like me at all. For no reason. She does not like me.
No, she no hates you. See, my love. You know what's in there? My love for you, it plenty. Nothing if you ever change out for this life when we did so. I too love you. And I believe in you.
And I love you too. You know I love you, right? I love you so much. I can never break your heart. I can never break your heart. I promise. I swear to God.
You don't do. Rest. I bring food for you. You don't chop.
You are just the best. How did you know I was hungry?
I know, so you're hungry. See, my love, I cook correct white soup for you.
You are the best. You are heaven sent.
No, you go to me more. That's what you do.
She's a superwoman. she they hustle scatter. And she say one of a kind. Chizaram they hustle, she hustle passing man. She be wife material, no 1 million years. Chizaram is a hustler, yeah. She be hustler. Now woman we hustle passing man. She be hustler. Chizaram is a hustler. She be hustler. Now woman we hustle passing man. She be hustler. Yeah.
So, bro, your guy is going to be by your side as we're balling tonight.
Guy, I'm confused. I'm confused. I don't even know what's going on. She's not even picking my calls.
So go to the palace. Or are you banned from going to the palace? Are you not a son of the soil? Bro, go to the palace and find out why your girl is not picking your call.
Is it that she's not happy that I'm in Nigeria? Because the queen just called her and that was just it. Her number is not even connecting.
Just go to the palace. Just go and find out why she's not taking your call and why she's not responding to you. Okay?
It's okay.
Just calm down.
Sister, welcome.
Chiamaka.
Hmm?
You know, say, now you be the only person when I get. You be my sister. And the truth be say, I don't forgive you. And for the sake say I don't forgive you, that made me buy you this iPhone when you don't dey ask for since. I know say you don't dey ask me since, so I don't buy them for you.
Jesus Christ! iPhone! Sister, thank you.
It's okay.
Oh, Jesus! I have an iPhone!
But before you dey thank you so much, you go charge them first. You go charge them 6 hours before you begin use them.
Thank you.
It's okay.
Thank you so much, sister. I really appreciate this. iPhone!
Chiamaka, go charge them first.
Okay.
Before you begin the dismantle and now finally you got the hello. Go charge them. You know, tell me say the battery no dey last later.
Okay, sister.
I don't want to send any boy for your phone, no.
It's just social media.
Go charge them.
You. Finally.
No, where you dey now? Where you dey? Which kind of thing be this one? Since your number no dey go. God abeg, may no be say something don't happen to my man, oh. Hey, God forbid. God forbid.
Where is TV from Pastor Bashir?
Yes! Oh boy, this lady is freaking in love with me. How did everything just happen in one night? Just one night. Just one visit. And we made out. She begged me to stay. Begged me not to leave. Gosh. Look at this house. Very rich. Sweet in the middle. Huh? Oh boy. The ex-boyfriend. Thank you. Thank you for breaking up with her. Yes. She has money, at least. We'll be eating the money, you know. As for Zaram, let her get out. Let her get the fuck out. I am done with her for good. And forever. Yes.
She's a superwoman, she the hustle scatter, and she's a one of a kind. Chizaram the hustle, she hustle bossy man, she be wife material, no 1 million years, yeah. Chizaram is a hustler, yeah. She be hustler, now woman who hustle bossy man, she be hustler. Chizaram is a hustler. She be hustle, the woman we hustle, passing man. She be hustle.
He no come back this morning. No, where you dey? My love, wetin be this one now? Eh?
She's a superwoman, she the hustle scatter, and she's a one of a kind.
My baby, where you can't dey like this? Eh? Where you can't dey like this? You no come be say something happened to my man, no. My God, I beg, which kind of problem be this one now? Yanga go to sleep, trouble go wake up. Which kind of thing be this one? No, where you dey now? Where you dey? God, I beg, protect am o.
Greetings, my queen.
Greetings to you too. You are here again?
Yes, my queen. I am here for my fiancée. She hasn't been taking my calls nor replying my text. I'm very worried about that.
You must be. But she's fine. And who is the gentleman with you?
Yeah, this is my friend, Nandi.
Greetings.
You're welcome, please sit. Like I said, she's fine and busy at the moment. Any other thing?
In that case, we'll wait for her to be less busy.
I don't think that's a good decision. I sent on an errand somewhere far away from this kingdom. I would suggest you go and come back in a few hours.
That's fine. We should be leaving now. We'll come back for her later.
Yeah.
Right. Come back later.
Can you imagine the gods? Look at these two urchins. Stupid Shenanigans. Idiots. You want to take Ifeoma away from me? Never. Buffaloes. My kid. Your man from the overseas came here with his friend to see you. He claimed he wanted to know how you're faring. But I already dismissed them. So, now you'll listen to me. I want you to tell whoever that cares to listen, especially your family, that you're not leaving the palace. Tell them you're not interested in marrying that lunatic. They should leave you alone. And I want you to stand by your word. Am I clear?
Yes, my queen.
You're not leaving me. Not for anything in this world. You're mine. Hmm?
Yes, my queen.
Good girl. Okay. Continue.
See, from the look of things, I'm suspecting the queen.
How?
Yes. I'm suspecting that woman. You see the way she was telling us she's not around though, this one. She's even trying to make us leave the palace.
Yeah, I observed it too.
To worsen the whole matter, your girl's number is not connecting at all. Eh? Man.
What about our king? Yeah, the new king.
The king, I heard that he traveled abroad to do business. I think the business the father left for him and all that. From what I heard though, they say he traveled abroad, I think.
I see.
But bro, I'm not happy at all. I'm not happy. Let's go to Ifeoma's house. Let's go to Ifeoma's father's house. Let's go there and explain things for the man. You need to tell the man everything that is happening. Yes.
Yeah, you're right. We should.
Okay.
What are you doing here? Eh? How do you even know this place? Please, I beg you, please. You have to go, please.
Marvin, my sister cannot come back and see you here, please.
Babe, I miss you so much. Babe, we can sort this out, please. Babe, just unblock me on WhatsApp. I can't live without you, babe.
No, you don't understand. Mommy, I cannot. I can't.
Baby, what?
Look at my leg. Have you seen this? My sister beat me up all because of you. All because I'm dating you, Marvin. Please, we can't do this anymore. I beg you to leave this place. Leave this place now for your own good, Marvin, please, okay? Come.
Babe, I need to talk to you.
You're not listening.
Who be this boy? Waiting in the fine for you.
He was just leaving, sister.
Please don't give me! 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 Don't give me! Don't give me!
Hey, na the boy, oh, na him be this. Hey, wait. Oh, boy.
Good day, ma. I'm Mervin by name.
Megini. So now you be the Mervyn when they don't talk since. The same boy. When I almost keep finish for my dream, he escape. And you get mind come my house for real life.
Sister, he was just leaving.
Keep quiet there. Just shut up your mouth for them. Make I no come there, come shut up your mouth for you.
Ma, I love your sister so much. I'm ready to take care of her and make her happy. Please, ma.
You know what's in it? All this information you just give me now, too plenty for my head. I go inside, make I bring tools, come and I go tell listen to you well. I need to understand what you mean. I never truly understand you. So just wait for me, I dey come.
You see,
You have to leave now for your own good. I'm telling you right now to get into your car. You are not listening to me. I said leave! Baby, you're not listening to me. Please, I beg you. You have to go!
Chiamaka, leave me! Chiamaka, leave me! Oh, this boy they go! Chiamaka, that's why you leave me! Chiamaka! So this one never reach you, Abi? You like grace? You don't die before? You get mind! The one you do for school no reach you. Carry man come my house. You don't dey run mental?
Sister, I did not tell him to come here. I swear. I don't know how he got.
Turn and fire your mouth for them. He dream my address. No, he sleep for night. Dream my address.
Sister, I swear.
Chiamaka, many times I call you. You know, say people of the world no know you, and me know you. You be devil. Who see you this your innocent face go think say you be better person? Innocent for house, demon for school. You get luck. No, if you wait for me now, make I butcher them. Adam join my nama for markets. You see you? One amo. Melvin or Marvin. I don't know what it be name and I no consign me. If I ever see him for this place again, I go use this machete, butcher that in two left leg. Adam join nama for market, sell him. And you see this your remaining leg where remain. Make I catch you with any man again. Na pot of stew go full am. Idiot.
She's a superwoman. She dey hustle scatter. And she's a one of a kind. Chizaram dey hustle. She hustle passing man. She be wife material. No 1 million years. Chizaram is a hustler. Yeah. She be hustler. Now woman we hustle passing man. She be hustler. Chizaram is a hustler.
You will kill somebody because of Chiamaka. Chiamaka is an adult. And you can never force her to live the life that she doesn't want to live. Let me tell you, what you are doing to this girl is too much. And you have to stop it.
Uncle, now talk you just talk, I been a spit you spit. Which one? Which one be Waiting be Uncle, me. If you don't talk finish, they go your house. I don't hear you. They go your house. Because you just carry yourself, come up for your house. Come my house. Go and tell me I wanted to carry my star waka. You see this Chiamaka is down here? Now my investment. This Chiamaka is down here, so now my eye be this. Now my leg be this. Now my everything be this, uncle. You say make I carry am. Make I carry my full investment. Make I dash am what people. Uncle, I no go try am. My lawyer in the making, I no fit. It no go happen. I see.
Let me tell you. A girl that wants to spoil will definitely spoil. Eh? Allow this girl to be in her school. Allow her. Chiamaka here is a beautiful girl, intelligent, and attractive. So, and you stop chasing all her men friends away. Stop it. I don't like it. See, what he did to Chiamaka, he will never repeat it again. He can never dare do it again. He cannot do it.
Uncle, that one you talk, so I regret him. I regret that one. But you see the other thing, I don't regret him. If I see any man near this Chiamaka, uncle, I swear to Almighty God, I go kill him. I go butcher, I go scatter the man. What's happen? Now my sister be this. Chiamaka when sit down here so. Now only school I join her. I no want make any man matter join them. You dey hear me so? Uncle, allow me deal with my family. I dey take God beg you now. Oh.
Allow this girl to live her life. Yes.
Which life?
Allow her be.
Uncle, which life? As Chiamaka dey so, she no get life. What? I hold in life for this my hand. I put her for inside reservoir, uncle. Chiamaka no get life as far as I dey concerned. Chiamaka no go even try. I don't even want to hear her. Even for dream. Even for, I don't want to imagine her. Even for whisper. I don't want to hear say Chiamaka follow man. For waiting. Any man when I see near Chiamaka, I go scatter him. I swear to God Almighty, I go kill him. Uncle, no they give me high blood pressure. Come they go, I don't tire. They go your house. Okay. I don't want me to say I don't insult elder. Or I don't do something to elder. As I just sit down here, they respect you. So make yourself respect yourself. Because they say that respect, is there reciprocal. I beg. Make everybody mind the business. This one of my family matters. Now my immediate family matters be this one. Go tend to your family matters. I beg. Now God, I take beg you. I beg. Okay, so I'm not your family. Uncle, I say immediate family. I know say you be no go school like that. But this one is immediate family. You be my extended family. Stay for your house. Me will let us stay for our house. I never seen this kind of thing before.
No problem.
Goodbye. Thank you. Panel of justice. Chiamaka, it's me that will kill you in this house. You see this your second leg? I will chop it into pieces. It's man you went to do in school. Is it in section 101 you are supposed to be studying in school? You did there, they follow man. You know the shame. You gave my go uncle can't give me. Man see any man here you again. Not from I go so tie you rope. I go tie you rope, join my nika. Anywhere they go, Chiamaka, you go to follow me. Except in a class you they go. You never see anything.
My dear.
Sir.
I think you should allow her be for now. Do not be a distraction to her education. Because her elder sister will not allow it.
Sir, I'm not a distraction. Sir, I love Chiamaka so much. I am ready to support her, sir. Please, sir. We are students and I understand everything. Please help me talk to our elder sister. I really love Chiamaka.
My dear, both of you are still schooling. I advise you, let her be for now. When both of you are done with your education, you can come back to marry her if you really want to marry her.
Oh my God, what is going on, sir? Sir, I love Chiamaka so much. Why is all this happening to me? Sir, please, sir, just try and talk to her sister for me now. Sir, I want the best for her. I am ready to support her. Please, sir. Please.
Just listen to my advice. Just go home. Go home and relax. Let her be for now. Just go home.
All right, thank you very much, sir.
It's okay.
All right, sir. Thank you.
Alas. Baby, you seem exhausted.
Oh, yes, I am.
And I'll be sorted out.
Okay.
Yeah. Babe, I am...
My feet hurts.
Okay, sure. Why not? Get them.
You wanted to say something?
Yes, I was. Babe, I would love to go over to my place and pick a few items soon.
Okay. Makes sense.
Alright.
Thank you for agreeing to stay with me.
I should be thanking you. It's a privilege to be with a woman like you, I swear. And I love you more. Think up, babe.
Yeah, concentrate.
Yeah.
My queen, I said I came to see my daughter. She's my daughter. Can't I see her? Her fiancé is worried. He came back since yesterday, and since yesterday, he hasn't seen her.
Ichie, I am surprised to hear this. I thought they've seen each other. Well, I'm not stopping your daughter from seeing her future husband. Oh, here she comes. I will let you two talk.
Ifoma, Onyeka complained that all your lines are switched off and you wouldn't leave the palace. Don't you know he's in Nigeria to pay your bride price? Or you want to be absent when it takes place? What is going on, Ifoma? What is the problem? Talk to me.
Papa, I am busy in the palace.
Busy? Did you say busy? Busy doing what?
Papa, I already told Onyeka I will come and see him.
When? Ifoma, when?
I don't know, Papa.
Ifoma, I said when?
Papa, Onyeka should understand. I told him I will come and see him. I'm busy in the palace.
Ifoma, can you hear yourself? You are insane. You are out of your mind. Madam, you will follow me to the house today. And as for this job, you are quitting it today.
Papa, I'm not going anywhere with you.
Eh?
I am not going.
Ifoma! Ifoma, come back here! Ifoma!
Oh, baby, I am so sorry. Come here. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. You don't have to cry. It's okay. It's okay. Stop crying. You're breaking my heart, baby. You don't have to cry. Alright?
Don't worry. Don't worry. I will send your brothers to take you to that palace. Ifoma, you dared walk out on me? Ifoma, my only daughter. My only daughter. You will tell me why you don't want to leave that palace. You will tell me why you don't want to leave that palace. Can you imagine? What did Onyeka do to you? Few months ago, you were crying that you want him back. Now he's back in Nigeria. You don't want to see him, Ifoma. Ifoma, I will let you know that I'm your father. I will let you know that I get back to you. Let me even call your other boss to tell them what's going on.
Eh? Oh, see, my phone is on the ground again. Eh? Informer, he may go me fair. He may go me fair. Informer, he may go 30. Huh? Let me call. Ekene the rich. Where are you? Ekene? Mba, if you're not wrong, you see? Okay, you're at work. Yeah? When you're done, please come back to the house. Mba, or if I got my phone, you come back with your brother. Do you understand? Biko. Okay. Ngwanu, okay, I'll be expecting you. I'll be expecting you. So what? I will let her know that I get back to her. Ifoma, you dared me. Ifoma, you dared me. Oh, hey, oh God. Ngwanu, I'm gonna go see daddy.
Hey, my guy don't arrive. Oh. No. No, God don't finally do am. God don't do am. I know say God must answer my prayer. You don't see your God. I can't make bread. He make bread. But wait first. You see, why even be say since I dey call your number dey off. If you buy a drink, you go off the phone. You no go even answer me. What's they bring that one corner? You know I say they worry. Worry nearly kill me as I no hear from you. What's happen? I didn't suppose let me know so you don't see job. Say they can't even give you car joiner. Hi.
Chizaram, why are you so lousy? I mean, you are so uncoordinated. Well, that's by the way. This is actually not my car, but my girlfriend's car. And that is to tell you that I did not go for any job interview.
You dey Chris. Sorry. I mean say you dey joke. You know, anyway, that one no concern me. See, I know say this thing, I know say if you want shock me, we will go buy you cold drink, Make we go, we'll arrange, I'm gonna paint this town blue black.
Oh God, can you just stay away from me? Calm down. Look, there's always a difference between somebody who went to school and somebody who did not. That's why your life, come on, please.
No.
Look, have some decorum. Okay.
Hey. Be like say they don't employ you for Nollywood now. You want on for okay, fine, you be good actor, you sabi art, you don't do 100%. Open camera went and go paint town.
My eardrums, please. You stop screaming. Just talk like a normal human being, okay? Look, I want you to be very frank with me. Do we look like we belong in the same class?
You say waiting?
No, take a good look at me. Like, look at me very well. We are different. Like, the distance is too much. Like, come on now. Take a look at you. Take a look at me. Say the truth. Huh?
You say waiting?
Okay, look. You showed me love, yeah? I appreciate. You cared for me. You provided for me. You were there. But to be very honest with you, I only needed you as a shoulder to lean on. And you were perfect for that role. Although it doesn't mean that I am ungrateful. That is why I want to tell you this from the depth of my heart. That I do appreciate. And come on, thank you so much, okay? Excuse me. Hold on. Don't talk. Hello, baby. Yes, my love. No. I'll be coming back shortly. Yes. Alright, love you. Oh, kisses. See you soon. I'm coming right away. Aye? Good. Chizaram, my girlfriend just called me. She needs my attention. I can't leave the road. I don't want to kill somebody.
don't feel fall in love again for this life. I don't go ever fall in love again for this life. God, why not so do me this kind thing? No, so pieces my heart is scattered. I don't die, God, I don't die. Sister, please stop. It might even be a prank. Maybe he was pranking you to see how you react. Yes.
Abi?
But no be April fool be this now. No so call on a woman for my face. No so carry phone hands on a woman cover my face. I don't die, God, I don't die.
See, just relax. It could be part of prank. I mean, just relax, okay?
No, they tell me that kind of thing. No, they tell me that kind of thing. Now you do that kind of thing too. Which kind of thing, bro? No, they tell me that kind of thing. You see that no so? You know go ever better for about this one. God go punish no so don't I go fire. Now be no so to this side.
Ekene, ogini kwanu. What is it? Is it by force? Is it by force? What is it, kwanu? Ha! I'm tired, oh. I'm tired.
Who are you talking to on the phone?
My queen, it's my brother Ekene.
Let me have the phone. I can see that you've chosen to be useless to yourself and your entire family. But that is not my problem. Listen, I am warning you for the last time. Do not, in your entire miserable, God-forsaken life, call this number again. Feel free to disobey me. But let me assure you, I will have your head on a platter. Stupid thing. Get busy. Get useful. You useless fellow. Don't call this number again. I repeat. Silly. I can see that your brother has decided to round this palace. But don't worry. I know how to handle him. I'll get a mosquito raid. Just for him.
Thank you.
You can go.
Thank you, my queen.
Hold on. Get me a glass of juice.
Alright, my queen.
Thank you so much, sir, for taking my sister to the hospital. She would have died if not for intervention. Thank you. I really appreciate it.
It's alright. Just make sure she takes her medication daily, alright? I noticed her BP went so high.
That was what the doctor said. Hi. Thank you, sir. I really appreciate it. Thank you.
It's alright. Make sure you take good care of her. And also, while doing that, make sure you look after yourself.
Yes, I will. I will.
I'll be on my way.
Thank you.
Take care.
Bye-bye. Hi. Sister. Sister. A minute.
At last, my lord. I am here with you.
Yes.
Okay then, without wasting much time, let me drop my luggage in the room.
Just hold on a bit.
Any issue?
Why do I feel like the butcher girl isn't your sister? I mean, you can tell me the truth. we'll be living here together, and I just want to have it in my head that I'm not going to be living with a liar. So I can take anything from you. Just tell me the truth and it's sorted.
Baby, I'm sorry. We are not related.
She's your ex?
Yes, she's an ex.
Okay. Thank you for telling me the truth. But promise me that you're not going back.
Go back to who, baby? Will never go back to her. You are the best, the absolute best. There is no one like you. You are every man's dream, and I promise to love you and do nothing else than to love you more.
Okay. Get upstairs, okay?
Alright.
The room by the right.
Okay.
Oga, see the meat now. It's very, very big. Please, 5,000 is okay. Make a cut. 5,000 last. No.
We have been the 4,000.
Very big meat like this.
Cut and well, that is small.
Don't worry.
Cut and well. Hey. Papa, this is small. This is small.
How you want me to cut? I'm not cut big.
That's not. My first time with this, so.
Don't worry, your customer is always right.
Very good, very good.
Hey, who will soldier for where? Like this, I mean?
Nice. Madam, they okay, sir?
Nobody will know.
She did okay.
Nobody.
You see, I'm mixed this one, no?
Oh, we got this one. Go up the line, no.
It's happening. You do okay like this.
Big boy like what kind of see party go. Don't pull up for me now, guy.
I beg you, go back if I did double like that. How I want this for others.
I don't want that.
Thank you.
No one.
Thank you. Is this how you're going to continue chasing customers away in this moody and sad state? Why don't you come off it? What is the problem? You will chase everyone out of this place.
No, babe. You know, I tell you, I go shock you.
Yes, you said it.
I won't give you one big shock today.
Okay, interesting. Tell me about it.
Now, shock, I won't shock you, but in go soon reach here. I call Lizzie, may bring that iPhone for you and say you like. And they pay small since I pay for now, call and now say, may bring the phone, cause say no, don't reach here.
Baby, it's a lie.
You tell me say you want iPhone now.
Wait, don't
tell me this is a prank.
Ha! I don't ever like give you before. I don't dey pay since I don't want to tell you. I just tell myself say I go shock you. Once I pay finish, I go tell Lizzie maybe as I just pay finish yesterday. Now tell Lizzie say, oh yeah. This one as you reach and I say, oh yeah, always they come in, don't land. In they bring the phone. You can just wait more, you go soon see him.
Baby, you got an iPhone for me?
You don't want them again.
Oh, baby, thank you. Come here. Oh, baby.
You see, I see the happy so anything they sweet me die.
Baby, you make me cry. You make me cry.
I know what make you cry and I laugh. I want make you they laugh now. My no. Why you won't come and cry now? No.
Oh, baby, I love you. I love you so much. I love you with all my heart. I love you. I love you so much. Oh, baby, you are the best. iPhone for me. iPhone for me.
I'm serious.
You mean
Yes, honestly.
Ha. Thank you say you like me when I don't notice Sam.
You're welcome. You're welcome, ma.
Ma. I beg. No, they call me Ma again. I beg.
You're my boss now.
Boss?
Yes.
Me and you will be friends.
All right.
But true, you be better person. You be good person.
Thank you. People say that, but you know, it's good to be good. But I'm happy you're strong now.
Yes. And you don't try. Give me my bag. Make a headache go for.
Allow me to see you. Let me follow you to your house.
But you don't try for me now.
I know. It's okay, man.